is a lovely angle. Hello. Hi everyone. Okay, so I thought today's video can be like a little chit chatty. You guys really loved watching me pack for my Chicago trip last year. So this time I am packing for Palm Springs. I'm doing a girls trip. So I thought I'll just bring out my pink and turquoise suitcase again and just start packing, and we'll just chat along the way. There you go. Okay, so just brought a bunch of clothes and I put them here. They're a little not organized. So what I want to do is pretty much start with the clothes I'll probably wear the last day. I like to have the clothes I'm going to wear first. So some jeans, because the last day I will be driving back. So Palm Springs isn't a super far drive from LA, so I just figured I'll have a nice little drive and enjoy listening to my book and a podcast. All right, this is a very nice coral romper. I felt like it was very Palm Springs. I've worn this outfit numerous times, but while I'm there, I'm going to do a lot of Instagram photos, so I figured this will pop. And also it's going to be about 100 degrees, so I wanted just a lot of the stuff I'm going to wear, like very light, thin material, because it's so hot. And it's the desert, so. Alright, and then I have this beige dress. I got this from Target. It's inside out. Let me take it inside out. It gets really wrinkled, but it makes my boobs look so good. Like it's just chef's kiss. Honestly, makes the breast look amazing. Okay. Also, don't mind the no makeup look. I had business calls today, but you know, they were pretty chill, so I figured moisturizer, and my serum, have an outfit on, earrings, we're good. It wasn't a must-wear makeup today. Then I have this, which I'm debating if I wear it the first day I'm there or the second day, but it's one of my two-piece. I have like three of these where they're just really fun prints with a nice little like crop top to go with it. So that will go on top. And just like how the darker blue looks on me. This one I feel like I'll wear for sure. Like the first time, it's light, it's white, it's very airy, it is very Palm Springs. I don't like wearing a bra with this shirt because I feel like no bras look great in this shirt. And I'm just always been one of those people that I don't mind not wearing a bra. I'm not wearing a bra right now. But this one you can really see the nipples, and I feel like that offends more people than it offends me, so I don't care. So there we go. So that's, you can't really see because of the angle, but there it is. Okay. So that's all here. And then what's going to be on top of that, of course, are pajamas. Because that's usually the first thing you're going to pick from your suitcase, right? It's your PJs. So I'm going there tomorrow. It's Wednesday. I'm driving out there Thursday. And this is the first time where all the girls so I have this one group of friends, and it's like 6 of us. There we go, I can count. And we all started chatting a lot more during the pandemic. So I was really close friends with like 2 of them, and then we just added people to the group. And so 2 of them are based in Texas. 3 of them are based in the Bay Area, and I'm the only one in LA. Yeah, I gotta be different. And this is the first time where all girls can go on the girls trip. We've done New Orleans like once, maybe twice, and not everyone was able to go. So this is the first time everyone's able to go. But real talk, we are all very type A, super organized women. I'm the only one married in the group, and there's one other person that has a boyfriend, and the rest are single. And I say that not because to shame them or anything. I say that because they've been single for a long time. They had to learn how to take care of themselves, so they are like super independent, right? So when you have so many independent type A organized people, I was sort of getting a little frustrated because I felt like it was like becoming like too organized and too many cooks in the kitchen. And you know, I am more of a casual traveler. I think just doing so many trips with my husband, that sort of just rubbed off of like sort of just going with the flow. I mean, plan of course some things like book where you're going to stay and stuff, but understanding like you can't plan everything. And I just like, I have this one friend that she refuses to stand in line, so she's always going to make reservations. And I thought it was sort of silly because Palm Springs does get busy, but it's not like a popping town. Like that town closes at like 8 p.m. So I just didn't feel like we were going to stand in line for that long. But I'm like, it's important to you, so that's fine. Anyways, I'm packing some workout clothes. I do not plan on working out, but just in case there's like, you know, I just want to lounge around in the house during the day, and I sort of don't feel like putting on my outfit, or if I want to take some really cute photos in my workout clothes. I don't know. This is also another workout outfit. They have a little putt-putt at the house, and this is meant for golf, so I thought that's a cute photo. Okay. So that would be here. It always looks so pretty once I pack it. And then it gets messy, right? Okay. And a sports bra. My sports bra is not a pretty sports bra. It's very, you know, black. But not embarrassed to say, I have like pretty, they're not even like the biggest, but they're bigger than what society says I should have, like my breasts. And so a lot of sports bras don't work that well. This one I love because it has a zipper up front, and it's just, it's good. Okay. So that is done. Makeup and toiletries cannot be packed until tomorrow because before I drive, I will be doing some work. However, I can get like underwear, socks, and shoes. So let me go do that, and then I'll be back. So let's do like a little montage of me packing my underwear, shoes, and all that good stuff. Okay, let's get that. And jewelry. Oh, gotta get jewelry. And be mindful of what jewelry I'm gonna wear tomorrow. So I will be right back. All right, so the suitcase is packed. The only thing left I have to do tomorrow, so I'm making that noise, is pack my toiletries and makeup, and that is pretty much it. I didn't realize it was going to be this stuff, but it is a girls' trip, and I always feel like I pack a lot more on a girls' trip. So I'm hoping my toiletry bag fits. I'll make room. I may just have to like take out like a pair of shoes. Because shoes always take up more space, but at the same time I'm also driving, so if I need to pack like a smaller bag to go with this, it's not like I have to pay for any luggage fees. And yeah, so I'll show some clips of me going on my trip, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little chit chat. Try to take as many trips as you possibly can. I know everyone's budget is different, and it's nice to take trips with different groups of people, so family, friends, your significant other. I am excited for all us girls to be together and just like share and enjoy each other's company. And also be mindful of the fact that just because we're all friends doesn't mean we're going to do every little thing together. I made it perfectly clear I'm not a morning person. So I will only do one brunch. I'm not going to do 2 brunches because I like to sleep in. Alright, and they were fine with that because I'm more like the night person. And that is it for today's video. Or I'll show you guys some other clips. I don't know. I don't know how I'm going to end this. I really don't. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys around.